Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Pad P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll and find the apps. Then we have to scroll down again and find special app access, and here scroll and find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Firefox in my case is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Firefox in my case is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.